Hello my dear students and viewers. So today I am back again with a very new video, that is working with apps. So without any further delay, let's start the class. The content is kept over here, that is building apps. Let me open the slide. Let me zoom in a bit. So that you can get a very clear view. Okay. The chapter is working with apps. Okay. Key points: introduction to apps, working of apps, uses of some commonly known apps, types of apps, web or online, mobile, development of simple apps, using any free app development software. Okay. Before I start the class, let me clarify that this video is going to be very much theoretical, and the next video that I will upload will be very much practical. On that video, I will explain you how to install an app. I will explain you practically how to create an app, how to use an IDE to utilize to create an app, to install it, all those things. Okay? But this very particular video, we will get to know the theoretical part. Okay? So without any further delay, let's start. Introduction. App is an abbreviated form of the word application. What is an app? It is an example, it is an abbreviated form of the word application. Okay? App means application or computer programs designed for a particular purpose to achieve a goal. Okay. Application means what? I hope that you do know what is a software. A software is what? A software is bunch of different programs compiled all together to achieve a very specific task from the hardware, isn't it? You might have heard the difference between software and hardware. So without any further delay, let's just proceed with the topic. An application can be downloaded on mobile device. It can easily run on internet on your computer or on your mobile device. Basically, you need to have a computer or a mobile phone to install that application and use that application, isn't it? There are apps for everything from learning a subject to book online movie tickets, etc. Basically, nowadays you will find different apps are present on Google Play Store. What is Google Play Store? It is a marketplace, isn't it? A marketplace where you will find paid apps as well as free apps. So basically, what are apps? Apps are nothing but the application. You may call it basically software. Okay? Different software, different applications are present which have its different utility, different applicability. That is why apps have immense importance in day-to-day life. It is interesting how the app market works so accurately. Okay, if you think of Paytm app, I hope you have definitely heard Paytm app. Paytm app is what? It is an example of app using which you can transfer money from one mobile to another mobile, isn't it? So this part is quite simply nothing but it is just explaining what is an app, how to use it and all those stuff. Okay, let's further proceed. Working of app. To frequently use an app, you need a smartphone definitely, or another mobile device with internet access, isn't it? When you open an application, it runs inside the operating system until you close it. Okay. What is an operating system? Operating system is the core software which is what? Which is basically building a bridge for proper communication between the user and the hardware. User gives the command to the hardware. Now, it is the prime task of operating system to build a bridge for the proper communication, isn't it? So basically, operating system is what? Operating system is the core software using which the user gets the desired result from the hardware. Okay, and upon operating system you need to install various applications or software which is destined for achieving various purposes, isn't it? For better running of app, your internet connection must be fast, isn't it? And you must know the steps to work on it. So, not only to install app on an operating system, you should also know the working of the app, how to work on that app. Apps allows us to perform a specific task. Without using the app, most of the tasks cannot be completed. Some apps are free while others might be bought. So, apps are of basically two types, paid apps and free apps. You will find it on the marketplace. Example of marketplace is Google Play Store. On iOS, you will find it as App Store. iOS is example of operating system. Okay, an operating system which you will find on Apple smartphones. Okay, Apple smartphones as well as Apple laptops. Not that Apple which you use to eat. Okay, it is an example of a company. It's a very huge company, a very branded company. Okay. Mobile application development require use of integrated development environment, also known as IDE. Integrated development environment. IDE is what? IDE is bunch of couple of small softwares, not small software, bunch of softwares which is utilized to create different softwares. Okay. It itself is a software using which you can create another software. Okay, that is IDE. We must say that to work on an app, we need a desktop computer with an operating system. Definitely a computer without an operating system is useless. Okay, it will be just a hardware. Unless and until you install operating system on your desktop, you cannot communicate with your desktop. As I stated earlier, operating system is the bridge. Understood? It interconnects the user as well as the hardware. Okay, next is a smartphone. A smartphone is also a mandatory part. You definitely need a smartphone, and at last, internet access. So, these are the components, these are the very much mandatory part which you require for the use and applicability of app. For example, if you are using Map My India app on your mobile phone, then first you need to download it from Google Play Store on Android phone or through App Store on iOS. Okay, Map My India is a tiny piece of app. Okay, it is an app using which you can find different locations, using which you can find out the route. Let's suppose from a different place to another place you want to go. So using this very particular app, you can find out the route. Okay, quite easily you can find out the route. It is easily available in Google Play Store as well as App Store. App Store is present in where? In iOS operating system. Map My India is a well-known mobile app that allows you to find any route from your current location to any place in India. It offers the best navigation and most advanced and accurate map data of India. Okay, so Map My India gives you the accurate location, okay, as well as the latest route. Clear? It utilizes GPS. See over here it is given GPS. GPS is what? GPS is also known as Global Positioning System. It is a bunch of satellites. I suppose 20 to 21 satellites. It is owned by United States of America. According to my knowledge, what I know is it is owned by United States of America. Okay. India nowadays also possesses that particular type of networking satellites, okay, using which you can intercommunicate, using which you can find out the route also. what is the name exactly, I am not remembering right now. You can just go to Google and find it out. Okay, India also nowadays have its own positioning system. As like GPS, India also have right now a positioning system. It is a network of 7 different satellites. Okay. Next is downloading an app from Google Play Store. This part I hope that you all know how to install apps from Google Play Store. Just go to Google Play Store, go to search bar, go to search option, type the name of the app and hit enter. Okay. After that you will find that particular app and just click upon install. That's it. The installation process done. It is extremely simple. Switch on to the home screen and all those stuff it is given. No need of going in detail. Definitely you all know installation of apps. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, over here also same thing, how to install an app. I am hoping that all of you do know how to install apps. Okay, next is types of apps. There are different types of apps based on their origin and working. We are explaining here desktop application, web-based apps and mobile apps. Okay, over here we are going to understand what are desktop application, web-based application and mobile. Desktop application. There are countless desktop applications. Some are full-featured like MS Word and some perform one or two things like clock and calendar. Clock and calendar, these are very simple apps. A clock just gives you the information of current time and the calendar just gives you nothing but the dates and all those things. Only dates, not all those things, only dates. Okay. But MS Word, what about MS Word? MS Word gives you a full-fledged word processing. Understood? A full-fledged word processing, accountability and applicability. Okay, you can definitely go over MS Word, edit Word file as well as you can insert music file, you can insert pictures, you can edit the fonts, various stuffs. Lots and lots of features are there in MS Word. Okay, word processor. A word processor allows you to create documents, write a letter and design a flyer. Microsoft Word is an example of word processor. As I stated, Microsoft Word is a full-fledged software using which you can edit, using which you can insert, using which you can change font, using which you can create and design the flyers also, all those stuff. Okay. Next is a mobile app. Let me zoom in a bit. A mobile app is a software application designed to run on mobile devices such as smartphone and tablet computers. Most such devices are sold with several apps bundled as pre-installed software. What are pre-installed software? Pre-installed softwares are those kinds of software which are coming without the need of installing them from the Google Play Store. Okay, you do not need to install them from Google Play Store. It is pre-built. Okay, as soon as you will purchase it, you will find all those softwares pre-built. Okay, the meaning of pre-built is no need of installing all those software. It comes already installed. Okay, such as web browser, email client, calendar, mapping program and an app for buying music or other media or more. Okay, this part is simply giving you information that what all apps are present when you will purchase a mobile, a smartphone. Okay, let's further proceed. Web browser. A web browser is a tool which allows you to access the internet. Internet Explorer is an built-in browser that comes with Windows. Okay, what is Windows? Windows is an example of operating system. Okay, it is owned by Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Corporation is a very huge company. Okay, the owner of the company is Bill Gates. You might have heard the name Bill Gates. He is one of the richest person of the world. Okay. But you can also download a different browser. For example, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Safari. There are other browsers also available. For example, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari. These are other browsers which you need to install it. Understood? Which is not pre-built with your operating system. All these browser you need to install it. Okay. Let's move on to the next pick. That is Windows Player. Windows Media Player and iTunes Player are the most popular media player. If you want to listen to MP3 or watch movies, you will use Media Player. Media Player or what Media Player are software using which you can utilize media file, using which you can play media files. Media files are what? Media files are either audio files or video files or both audio video files. Okay. Windows Media Player. Again, Windows Media Player is an example of built-in software which is pre-built in Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Definitely you will find Windows Media Player which is a pre-built software. Okay. Games. There are many types of games that you can play on your computer. We can play card games like Solitaire to action games like Halo. Okay. These are examples of games which you will find in your operating system. These are also example of software which are pre-built. You do not need to install it from outside. For example, if you have heard the name of Call of Duty, it is an example of a software. It is a game. Okay, but it is not pre-built. Okay, you need to install it from outside. But Solitaire, Halo, Chess Titans, these are few of the games which you do not need to install it from outside. These are pre-built. Okay. So in my next video, I will give you an exact demonstration of how to create an app, how to install an app, whatever, how to manage app, as well as how to utilize few of the very important apps. Till then, take care, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.